T.R. Baluji.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Some response from
It's
the
an
ministry.
important issue.
Minister has to respond actually.
Sir, yesterday,
And we would like it, but you're
sir,
not.
sir,
We would like to be a minister.
When you are, you can answer.
sir, yesterday, the state of Tamil Nadu, the Tamil Nadu Assembly has resolved a special resolution moved by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thalapathy Thiru M.K. Stalin, wherein the unconstitutional ceding of Indian territory, Kachativu, to Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Why I am saying unconstitutional means, see, in 1974 there was an international maritime line boundary agreement. In 1976, sir, one more agreement quoting the number of points in international boundary line. They demarcated. Both the agreement were in both the agreement, state of Tamil Nadu is a party to those agreement. Finally, before I say anything, I should also mention the Supreme Court orders in 1960 in the case of Perubari between India and Pakistan. Supreme Court case clearly said that ceding of any land territory should not be done unless otherwise the parliament approves, parliament ratifies or recognizes. But ceding of Kachativu has happened in 1976 while the president rule is in vogue. Say they have not consulted the state government, they have not consulted the parliament. I mean, without the ratifying of the parliament, this is unconstitutional. The Kachativu, which is the sole breadwinner and the area of fishing grounds of the state of Tamil Nadu is still unconstitutional. It should be retrieved by the honorable ministers who are sitting there. They should intimate the Prime Minister of India, so our External Affairs Minister, so that it can happen quickly. Otherwise, it is unconstitutional. Still, it is lying unconstitutional. There is no parliament sanction, sir. There is no parliament ratification. So it is unconstitutional giving it to Sri Lanka, sir. So it has to be retrieved early.